Ormoc City Mayor Richard Gomez has been re-elected as second vice president of the Philippine Olympic Committee. He won with 32 votes as shown in the photo Gomez posted on Instagram. Gomez belongs to the ticket of Bembol Tolentino, the 8th District of Cavite Representative and the head of the National Cycling Federation. Tolentino won another term as POC president, promising to do more in the next 4 years. Here's the result of the POC elections.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.